Mrs. Smith.
Have you been a fanboy?
Yeah?
Have you violated international law?
Huh?
You guys playing poker? Just want to play a few games if you're interested.
Meet Mr. Smith.
What, are you looking for a job or something?
You are the job. Pair of threes.
They are the world's most deadly assassins. Their identities are a secret. Even from each other.
Did you do something new?
I added peas.
Ah, peace. She was mesmerizing. She was unpredictable. Now, there's no mystery.
There's this huge space between us, and it just keeps filling up.
Hello, John. I need your expertise.
I think I can get 2 hours to kill.
The target is a direct threat to the firm.
You've gotta be kidding.
It's unbelievable.
This broad is not your wife, she's the enemy.
She tried to kill me.
They all try to kill you. Slowly, painfully, cripplingly. How are you gonna handle it?
I'm gonna borrow this.
I like where your head's at.
Sweetheart.
This summer, love
You still alive, baby?
gets lethal.
Hey, John. Hey, Bill. Are you all right? Yeah. Have a good night.
From Doug Lyman, director of The Bourne Identity, Brad Pitt,
Come on, sweetheart. Come to daddy.
Angelina Jolie,
Who's your daddy now?
Mr. and Mrs. Smith.
Mom! We're on high alert here! I almost killed you right there!